Welcome everyone. Appreciate your time and participation in this focus group. Our goal today is to foster open communications. I'm particularly interested in your feedback on my role as a manager. Your honest opinions will help us grow as a team. Let's create a shared space for open communications. Anna, thank you for being here. How do you feel about the current communications within our team? Can you share any instances where you think my leadership positively impacted our service?
Well, I operate the regular team meeting. It helps us stay on the same page. There was recent instance where we had a student influx of a customer. As you quick decision making and clear instruction keep everything running smoothly. That probably attracted our server.
So you find our team meeting helpful and the quick decision making during busy times made a positive impact. Thank you for sharing, Anna. Colors, turning to you, how well do you think our kitchen operations are running? Are there any areas where you believe I could improve in supporting the kitchen team?
The kitchen is generally running smoothly, but we have been struggling with inventory management. More support in running supply would be beneficial. Your spend during prep have but a more structured approach to inventory could enhance our efficiency.
I understand colors. Inventory management is an area that needs attention, and your feedback on a more structured approach is noted. Emily, moving to the front of house perspective, what are your strengths and areas for improvement? How can I better support you in creating a positive experience for our guests?
Our strengths include a welcoming atmosphere, but there have been instances where reservation become cheering support in refining our reservation system and refine additional training for team could enhance our guest experience.
Appreciate your insights. Emily, improving our reservation coordination and providing additional trainings is something we'll address. Lastly, Alex, looking at the teamwork behind the bar, how do you find it? How do you have suggestions for improving our efficiency during busy hours?
Teamwork is necessary, but having a streamlined system for during past how codes speeding up. It left meeting clean communication method during rest time might help us work more effectively.
Got it. Alex, streamlining the system for drink orders and improving communication during the busy hours are actionable suggestions. Thank you for sharing. I've been thinking about our discussions and I want to take a moment to reflect on the emotional aspects. There were instances when emotions were more pronounced, especially when we delve into challenges and areas that need improvement. I recognize that these moments might have been emotional triggers for some of us. For example, when colleagues discuss the need for more support in specific areas of the kitchen, I sense a level of concern. Emily, when we talk about challenges with reservation coordination, I notice a mixture of satisfaction and concern in your expression. Alex, your openness to providing suggestions indicated a positive and collaborative approach. As a manager, it's essential for me to understand these triggers, both positive and challenging. Recognizing these moments help me adapt my leadership style, ensuring that our discussions are constructive and supportive. I appreciate your openness in sharing your perspective, and I want to assure you that your emotion and concern are valued. As we move forward, I've been taking a close look at notes and reflect on our interaction during this discussion. It's crucial for me to understand how my responses may help influence our dynamic. And now, when you share positive instances, I notice enthusiasm with a great. It shows that our teamwork is making a positive impact. Colors, your concerns about the kitchen operation highlighted area where I need to offer more support. And I appreciate your honesty, Emily. Your feedback on the front of house dynamics is invaluable. I recognize the challenges you face with insufficient coordination. I like your insight behind the Braha provided action and suggestions for improvement. So, in reviewing my responses, I identify a few key takeaways. First, I want to ensure that my support is tailored to each team member's needs. Second, addressing challenges with a solution-oriented approach is something I focus on. Lastly, create an environment where everyone feels heard and the value is a top priority. 3T. Your feedback guides me in understanding where I can improve and adapt my leadership style. Let's continue this open dialogue, and if there are specific areas you feel I can address better, please let me know. This is collaborative effort, and your insight crucial. So, can you tell me the strength we have?
Effective communication. The team approach our review meeting indicates that communication is generally effective. Quick decision making during a busy period. My quick decision making briefly impact our service. Area for improvement. Inventory management support. Carlos highlighted a need for support of organizing supply and inventory management. Receivance coordination channel. Emily pointed out challenge in reservation coordination, indicating a need for improvement in this area. Emotion trigger identifier.
Okay, let's come to emotional triggers. Identify concern from challenges. Observe a heightened emotional response when discussing challenges faced by the team, particularly in the kitchen and front of house. Positive impact recognition. On positive role side, recognition of the team positive impact on service brings a sense of fulfillment. As I reflect on our discussion, I recognize moments where emotions were heightened, particularly when discussing challenges and areas needing improvement. These moments serve as emotional trigger and essential for me to understand them better. The challenges faced by the kitchen and front of house team seem to evoke a heightened emotional response. This understanding will guide me in approaching the discussion with greater empathy and consideration in the future. Can you review the note?
As I review the notes, I can see how my interaction influences the team reports. Possible feedback on a regular team meeting and quick decision making during busy hours reflect effective communication and leadership. On the other hand, concerns rise about management and reservation conditions by area where improvement are needed. Documenting just key takeaway will help me develop a target action plan for improvement.
So, as we conclude our discussion, I want to acknowledge the emotional expression observed during our conversation. Colors, Anna, Emily, and Alex. Your emotion, concerns, and positive feedback matter. I appreciate your honesty and openness as one of you brought to this discussion, addressing issues with empathy and expressing gratitude for positive feedback is crucial. I want to ensure that each team member feels heard and valued. Their perspective shape our collective success, and I committed to addressing your concern and building on our strength. Let's continue working together for a more collaborative and positive environment. And thank you for watching.